Hello everyone, welcome back to Rehaai College of Technology. Today we will learn how to talk about the future using simple and clear English. The future tense is used to describe actions, plans, and goals that have not happened yet but will happen later. There are two common ways to talk about the future using will and going to. We use will for general future actions or decisions. I will attend my class tomorrow. I will complete my work on time. She will help you. We use going to for planned actions. I am going to study English daily. I am going to improve my speaking skills. They are going to start a new course. Both forms help us express our future clearly and confidently. At Rehaai College of Technology, we encourage students to set clear goals and talk about their plans. Speaking about your future builds confidence and direction. From a Christian perspective, planning for the future is important, but it should be guided with wisdom and faith. We make plans, but we also focus on discipline, honesty, and purpose in our actions. For example, I will work hard to achieve my goals. I am going to improve myself every day. I will use my skills in a positive way. These sentences reflect both future planning and strong values. Practice speaking about your goals and plans regularly. This will help you improve your English and stay focused on your future. Thank you.